Yay, we are going!
So it's a sunny and humid Sunday afternoon here in Bangalore, and we are heading to KTM Indranagar to get the bike delivery for my brother, the KTM 390 Adventure. 2 years ago, myself and Sunil, we both went to KTM Indranagar for the delivery of the bike for Prem. Yeah, that was 2023 spokes wheels version, and now we are heading to KTM Indranagar again for getting the delivery of 2025 390 Adventure. And we're just so excited. All the guys are on their way. Maybe another 5-10 minutes we will be at the showroom, but it's very, very hot. I was actually sweating, when I was picking all my luggage, etc. So I was about to go in the bike, but this man, he said, we are going for such a bike delivery, etc. And why the heck bike and all? We'll go in car, AC, etc. क्या बोलते हैं भाई?
Entry.
थोड़ा कोजी बनता है आदमी कभी-कभी तो या
Entry वैसे ही रहना है ना थोड़ा.
हेलो नमस्ते आंटी हाय So namaste and hello YouTube, hello lovely people, welcome back to Raj Ride Stories. This is Raj, your host, and we are here in KTM Indranagar for taking the delivery of my brother's the new 2025 390 Adventure S. The ride here, it's been 5 minutes, and you can see the showroom here. There's a lot of people all over here, and this is our bike, which is currently covered, and that's what we're going to unveil in a couple of minutes from now. And right now, myself, Prem, my brother, the man who's going to take the delivery of this motorcycle. Ooh, wait, coming, wait. So there you go. Oh. Okay. Congratulations. How are you feeling? Huh? Just good, that's all. Huh? Where is the excitement? You seems to be quite low in excitement. Huh?
Good. You need to see the bike.
So he's feeling lighter.
Oh, so orange t-shirts, huh? Just to match the color of the motorcycle. Oh, all right.
Thank you so much.
Hey, Prem. Congratulations! The 3 KTMs, 2020, 23 and 25.
3 generations, literally. 3 generations.
Good. We are really welcoming him to the orange RB now. We have been, we're trying to convince him from quite some time to get him to the KTM group, and I think finally he's convinced, and we are finally so happy to have him in the family, and I'm wishing him a lot of happy miles ahead from the bike, so that he has a good memories with the this KTM. It's not just this one, even the next one when he wants to upgrade, he should be thinking of KTM. That should be the motto.
Happily everyone can go off-roading.
Yeah. When are we taking the bike then? Bike हम लोग ले जाएंगे ना? Super! Congratulations! Oh, there you go, the orange beast. How is the feeling, bro?
Good. Nice.
Yay! The camera's on target, huh? Lovely, wonderful, amazing, fabulous. These are some of the moments, which we describe, how much we love the motorcycles, how much we live with the motorcycles. It's not just about, taking the delivery of the motorcycle. It's just, living those moments. It adds so much of essence when we have all our friends, the families gathered together and just making the moment more memorable. That's exactly how it has been at the KTM Indranagar when we were taking the delivery of the 390 Adventure. So as we took the delivery of the motorcycle, all of a sudden it started raining. I couldn't complete the vlog at the showroom, so and I hope that what you have seen so far, it tells you the story of how immersive we have been at that moment. As I said, only the bikers, the people who love the motorcycles really understand how much these moments means to us. So the first part is done. The bike has arrived. Now from here on, the scene is going to get really different every now and then, because now we have to add some important accessories to the motorcycle to make it more touring friendly. As I've told you in the review of this motorcycle video, where this is not a motorcycle which you can take it for the touring right out of the showroom. So you need to add a couple of important elements to it to make it more touring friendly. For my brother, since he go for the touring mostly with the pillion, his wife, so he needs to get his seat modified. Very important. He need to get the crash bars installed. He need to get the top rack because he can mount the top box. He needs to get the saddle stage so that he can mount the saddle bags. So these are a lot of things, aux lamps. But one thing I want to tell you is the headlamps, the stock headlamps are really powerful, very powerful as compared to the previous generation 390 Adventures. So still, if you are on the highway, you want to go a little speed, especially in the night times, having the extra aux lamps will really make your life easier. So that's something which needs to be done. So a couple of things which will be added onto the motorcycle. I will keep talking about these things in the subsequent videos which we will be posting on the new 390 Adventures. So a lot of drama is going to happen, a lot of good videos will be coming up on this channel. So if in case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would request you to subscribe and support my content. If in case you like my efforts, the way I bring up the videos, my storytelling, etc. So that's pretty much in this video. It's all about taking the delivery of the motorcycle, how we have been enjoyed our moments over there, people who have gathered over there, the entire scene, what's happened during the delivery is what I wanted to share in this video, and it's been really amazing, as I've already told you so far. So if you have any questions, if you want to know more information about this motorcycle, put it in the comment section. I'll be happy to share with you guys. And also you can follow me on my Instagram. You can message me and connect with me on my Instagram page as well. On that note, I'm going to end today's video. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passions. Signing off, Raj. See you again. Jai Hind.